Hey, since there's no live classes this week, I'm just helping you out with some video of how to do a couple homework problems. I picked the two ones I think that would help the most. So first one is finding the length of the arc. Now, whenever you see length, you should think circumference, and circumference equals 2 pi r. Okay? So we see that the radius is 8, so let's take that down. And so we need to leave our answer in terms of pi, therefore we don't have to worry about calculating with 3.14 and all that mess. So I need to find the length of x, p, y. So this huge length right here, not this one. We need to find this one. From x through p all the way to y. That's the arc length we're finding. Alright, so we have our central angle for the arc of xy, this arc right here, is 90 degrees. That means that the central angle for the arc we want to find is 360 degrees minus 90 degrees, which equals 270 degrees. So that's our central angle. So in order to find the length of xpy, and this little arc thing above the letters, that means arc xpy. In order to find the length, we need to take the central angle divided by 360 and multiply that by the circumference, which in this case is 2 times pi times 8. Now 270 divided by 360 is actually simplified to 3/4 times 2 times pi times 8. So 8 times 2 is 16 divided. So I'm going to write that as 3 times 16 over 4, all times pi. And so 16 divided by 4 is actually 4, so 3 times 4 pi. So we just simplified that fraction there. So my final answer should be 12 pi. Okay, now we're going to find the degree of measure of the arc DEA. So that's this arc right here, D through E, all the way to A. And that means, the degree measure of an arc is the same as the degree measure of the central angle. So this central angle here. And we can find the measure of that by adding the two adjacent angles, 27 degrees and 103 degrees. 103 plus 27, add those two angles together. So the measure of the entire central angle here should be 130 degrees. And also the degree measure of arc DEA.